Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Today I am going to be opening up my Ipsy bag for October. I chose one of the items in here. I have no recollection of what it was that I chose, so this entire bag should be a surprise to me. I don't think I've been spoiled on anything. I think that's everything I have to say at the intro to this. Let's just get into opening my Ipsy. It does not feel like a huge filled bag this time, and I can feel that everything seems to be inside the little bag itself. Okay, so I think this one is super cute. It's obviously a Halloween theme. We've got sort of a soft-ish, like fake leathery kind of feeling bag that has those cool little symbols and stuff on the front, but it's sort of probably supposed to look a little like zodiac-y, but it's all makeup products around the outside. That's a super cute little pull with the star and the moon. And then on the back, it says, "Your magic." I usually mention in these things what I like to get so we can see if it matches up with my preferences. I do like getting mascaras because I love having them in the little sample sizes. I do enjoy blushes and highlights and lip products. I enjoy face masks because they're sort of one-off things that you can sort of see if you like them or not from one use. I'm not a big fan of getting like moisturizers or cleansers because I find that's the kind of skincare that you need to use for much longer than a sample will let you do. And I do enjoy getting things like foundations and concealers because I think Ipsy now sort of knows a little bit more about our skin tones and what might work for us. And what else do I like? I feel like I'm pretty full up on eyeliners. I don't mind eyeliners if they're like liquid eyeliners. No matter how hard I try to use pencil ones, they never really work out for me. So let us see what I have in here. I'm gonna get the card out first, but not look at it other than the theme. So the theme is Your Magic. With a pinch of shimmer and a wave of your mascara wand, this month cast a spell on yourself. Whether it's nailing the perfect smoky eye or taking that big life leap, let your intuition guide you to your goals. Okay, and I'll be interested to see if it describes the products in there because Ipsy seems hit and miss on whether it tells you more about the products in the pamphlet. So, okay, I have something that's a pencil, so it's either gonna be an eyeliner or a lip liner. What do we got? Okay, this is from Duce, which I also received a blush of theirs last month, which I have been enjoying. This is an ultra precise eyeliner. Yep, this is a pencil liner. Again, not my favorite. I just find that for me, they always smudge. I can't be super precise with them. And I don't tend to tight line my lower lash line. I find for me that sort of tends to close my eyes up a little bit. But I never mind giving these a try. This does seem to be the kind that you have to sharpen. So again, not my favorite, but that is okay. That's the gamble you take with these bags. Okay, what do we got here? I have a squeezy tube. Let's see what the squeezy tube is. Okay, we have a Mojito Lip Balm, a hydrating treatment from, I'm trying to find the company name because this is Malin and Goats, but I feel like I've seen this branding before, and that's maybe not the actual company name. If this wants to focus for me, if you can see that. I'm into lip balm. I feel like this year I'm using so much less makeup, but things like lip balm, yes please. That feels nice and thick. And it just sort of has a light peppermint sort of scent to it. I've not heard of this brand before. It says, moisture-rich gel formula leaves lips soft, soothed, and comforted. Awesome. I will definitely use that. It's getting to the time of year where my lips are so dry that like they're starting to be like flaky and stuff, so I just really need to continue to moisturize them as much as possible. I have something wrapped in bubble wrap. I have something that feels like another lip product, and then another squeezy tube. Let's do the thing wrapped in bubble wrap, which is probably some kind of powder product. Here we go. Ooh, it's a shimmer eyeshadow from a brand called Oriza. I have a lip gloss from them. Oriza Beauty, there we go. So it says this is an Astral Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow. So does that mean it is a purple shimmer? Not super in my comfort zone, but let's take a look. Oh, that's interesting. It's a little quad, which I was totally not expecting. So let's do a little swatch. There's like a matte purple, a matte dark brown, a shimmery kind of peach, and then a shimmery sort of taupe. Well, I swatched those in not the greatest place. So I really like the way that the purple looks and the shimmery peach. Is there any way? I've totally swatched that in a way that you can barely see. That's interesting. I mean, they're very fall colors. I do find that the shimmery taupe seems to take sort of a little bit to get to show up. But yeah, I'm into playing around with those. I think those could be really nice, easy quad to use to do like a sort of smoky fall kind of eye look. And I feel like we're all going a little more for eye looks than like this area of our face, since, you know, nobody can see that lately. Okay, let's go for the other seemingly lip product, and then we will end with the little squeezy tube. So here we have, oh, am I wrong? No, that is a lip product. It's just not what it felt like. It felt like it was almost gonna be like a chapstick type container. This is from Lottie London. It's a Slay All Day Long Wear Matte Liquid Lipstick. That's interesting. I feel like long wearing matte liquid lipsticks have kind of gone out of fashion a little bit. I have received something from this brand before. I believe it was a blush, but I will say that this shade, which is called Fleek, this feels very like 2 years ago, does seem like a very nice neutral fall color, which would probably be quite nice. Okay, let's check out the last item, which I'm thinking is going to be some kind of skincare. It is tiny. Okay, this is a Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydration. Okay, so it seems like it's a tinted moisturizer, which is sort of right up my alley, and what I like lately is sort of low coverage, very light wearing skincare or skin foundation products. Let's take a quick look at what they say about the products. So there is the Duce Ultra Precision Eyeliner in black. It says it's a creamy black eyeliner that's comfy and lasts all day and waterproof. We will see. They always say things like use it to make a wing. Like, I can't do a wing with a pencil liner. The Orzia Beauty Astral Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow. It says, say hello to the 4 autumn-inspired eyeshadows that you'll want to wear everywhere this fall. It says the deep plum is metallic. I didn't really see it as metallic, but that's okay. The full size of this, I'm not sure how big the full size is $20, and the full size of the eyeliner is $22. The Malin and Goats Mojito Lip Balm, full size is $14, and it says it's a refreshing mojito scented balm that is as soothing to the lips as it is to the senses. It has a blend of nourishing fatty acids to protect your lips and lock in moisture so they stay smooth and soft for hours. The Lottie London Slay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Fleek. It says the perfect color for October. It's a warm terracotta shade that's giving us all the fall vibes. Highly pigmented velvet matte formula is ultra long lasting and feels comfy on your lips, so they're always soft. It's interesting, it has been forever since I've tested out a matte liquid liner. And finally, the Tinted Hydrator from Tarte in Fair Neutral. Whether you love a no makeup look or glam is your thing, you're going to be obsessed with this tinted hydrator. Lightweight and easy to blend, the buildable formula melts seamlessly into skin for a no fuss application and perfect for busy mornings. And it says to blend it with your fingers. And sorry, the full-size version of the Tarte foundation product, tinted moisturizer, is $29, and the Lottie London full size is $6.50. So that Lottie London product is really affordable. So if I look at this, other than the eyeliner, which I don't really think I'll get a ton of use out of, I know I'll get a ton of use out of the lip balm, which is awesome. And I'm looking forward to trying the tinted moisturizer. I don't know about the matte liquid lipstick. I do feel like matte liquid lipsticks would be good right now under masks, because I do find, since I tend to wear sort of more glossy products, they do end up on the mask a little bit more, which, I mean, I'm washing it between uses, so it's fine, but you know, it kind of tends to smudge it around a bit more. So I'm looking forward to trying these products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you received in your Ipsy bag this month, if anything was the same as mine. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing, and I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Bye!